What's up, guys? Welcome to the February Nerd Report for Jacksonville, Florida, 2022.
I'm Jamie Tajera, co-owner of Edge Group Real Estate here in Jacksonville, Florida. This is Carrie Hustis, co-owner and team lead. While Carrie runs all things sales, my day-to-day with investments and developments keeps me in two places. In the field, checking out potential opportunities, and on the computer, researching hyperlocal data. So if you're looking for insight on Jacksonville real estate, you've come to the right place. Thanks for checking out our channel, and if you like it, please be sure to subscribe.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to go over is what we're looking for and what we have buyers for. One of the first things we're looking for is actually agents for our team. We are going on a heavy campaign of finding homes to renovate. And agents in our team work with both buyers and sellers, fully trained on our systems and kind of what we're looking for. As far as property, we are looking for small to medium sized apartment buildings, 6 to 30. If you have anything bigger, we can pass that on to one of our developer partners. Big land, 7+ acres, 7 all the way to 50, 100 acres. And we have a cash buyer looking for a property in South Jacks Beach on Duval Road. If you have anything like that, let us know. We'd love to connect you. Avondale, San Marco, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, around 1,500 square feet. Anything like that, we'd love to take a look at it for a buyer. On other news, we just recorded a video on dissecting every single zip code in Jacksonville. From kind of an economic standpoint. So if you're looking at Jacksonville from like a rental standpoint, you're out of town, and you want to break down on what that looks like, we've got percentage of renters in every zip code, median household income based on the census, the average rent for a 3-bedroom home. Check out that video. It took a while to record, but it's definitely got some good information. All right, so let's jump into some of the data. All right, so one of the first things we're going to look at here is actually current mortgage rates, right? Right now for February 4th, we're looking at 4.185, 30-year fixed, 20% down. Now, if you're a first-time home buyer, you're looking at 4.2%, 3% down. I think this is conventional. And we talk about this all the time, but you don't have to put 20% down to buy your first home. And if you're buying an investment property, you're looking at about 25%. So what's that jump? 185, 123. Yeah, so it goes down a little bit. But what this means is, it's going to cost you more, basically from a payment standpoint, to buy a house. Now, they're projecting that home prices are going to continue to go up despite this year. I would say that the growth we had last year was insane. I would say it's going to slow down this year, not to say that it's going to start going backwards. It's still crazy. We'll go into more of the numbers as far as inventory, but you'll see why I'm saying that. But right now you can see interest rates are rising. If you're thinking about refinancing or buying and you haven't done it and you are above this number, do it now. Or at least start the conversation with a lender. If you need to have that conversation, give us a call. We know some of the best ones. Let's jump into foreclosures for February. There's not a ton. There's like 4 a day. Like there wasn't even one Monday, Tuesday. I don't know if this is a holiday. But there's not a ton. So if you're expecting a bunch of inventory to come from foreclosures, it's not happening. All right, now let's jump into sales data. So average sales price. I broke it up, and I think this is how we're going to do it going forward. Duval County, Clay County, and St. Johns County. So my average sales price for January for St. Johns County is $532,000. Clay County, $308,000, and Duval County, $314,000. Did I do that right? You can see the numbers right there. All right, number of homes for sale. You can see that this number is going down. It keeps going down all the way from last year, or from January 2019, right? I mean, let's just do 1 year, right? Let's keep all these charts in a 12-month figure. You can see it's going down. So that's why I said, don't expect for home prices to start coming down until you start seeing inventory levels start balancing out. We are way unbalanced right now. There's a massive influx of people into Jacksonville. It's a big deal. So Duval County, number of homes for sale, 2512. Clay County, 526, and St. Johns County, 968. We could literally build a neighborhood with 526 homes in Clay County. Like, that's crazy. And in St. Johns County, you know that there are neighborhoods that have 1,000 homes in them. So that's like the only thing for sale is one neighborhood, if you put it in that context. Here's the thing, we talk about this all the time. What is that? 3,000, almost 4,000 listings. There's 11,000 realtors in our MLS, and a lot of them got their licenses in the last 3 years. Just, think about it when you're picking a team or an agent to represent you, whether it's buying or selling. Okay, so we've got number of homes for sale, days on market. Let's look at the median, okay? Median, Duval County, 16, Clay County, 14, St. Johns County, 17. And then let's look at our average, 32, 29, 35. For days on market, remember, I do like the median because it kind of gives us, it kind of pushes some of the outliers on the top end away. People are definitely listing houses at crazy prices right now to see what they can get, and that's going to offset your days on market. Also, new construction is going to set your averages off also. We know this. We have some listings for new construction that show like really long days on market. Is that the truth? No, it's because those listings basically sit there to attract the traffic, right, to sell the inventory that we do have. All right. Let's go to months of supply. Let's just look at this. So again, this is supporting what we talked about before. Inventory it's just shrinking. It's crazy. And part of it is you guys might see a lot of development going up around you, whether, I know there's some on the north side, there's some in Nassau County also, St. Johns County, Clay County, Green Cove Springs. I don't remember how big it was, but a pretty big deal just went down, and that deal didn't go to a home builder that sells homes. It went to a home builder that rents homes. So a lot of these new construction, and I'm not going to say most because I don't think it's most, but there's a good portion of these new developments that you guys are seeing that are actually rental communities. They're not even for sale. Crazy, right? So yeah, that keeps going down. St. Johns County, you guys would be out of houses in a month. Percentage of list price. They're all at 100% right now. So if you see agents posting they sold a house over a certain amount, it's everywhere. Price per square foot. Let's look at your averages there. If you're doing your own like mini appraisal, Duval County, you're at 160. Oh no, let's get average. Yep. Duval County, 172, Clay County, 155, and St. Johns County, 230 per foot. If you're in the most average neighborhood in each of these counties, this is what your price per square foot is going to be. Let's see, showings per listing. We don't usually go over this, but look at this correlation, right? It's not a big jump, but year over year, right? We're at 5.7, 5.4, 4.5. And then we basically jump up 1 to 2 showings per listing, right? So 1 to 2 showings per listing. And let's go back to homes for sale. It's like dropping, right? Like it's very well correlated there. So if you have any questions about selling in February, buying, Q1, anything regarding real estate, let us know. We're more than happy to help. We're seeing a lot of like investment customers coming in from out of state looking to either flip houses or rent houses. And that's a good sign for Jacksonville. It's definitely a good thing. Duval, Clay, and St. Johns County. But yeah, anything we can help with, just let us know.